Deepseek V3.1 has become the open-source revolution that shakes GPT-5's throne and rewrites the rules of the AI world. The balance of power in the AI world is being upended. Deepseek V3.1 burst onto the scene when no one expected it, capturing attention not only with its technical capabilities, but also with the shockwave it unleashed. Against billion-dollar giants like GPT-5 and Claude 4, an open-source model has emerged, free to download and 68 times cheaper to run. This is not just another AI. It is a global challenge to the dominance of closed systems. Now, the real question is, who will truly win the AI race? The release of Deepseek V3.1 stands out not only for its technical features, but also for the impact it has created. This model emerged as a direct alternative to closed, expensive systems like GPT-5 and Claude 4, which are developed with billion-dollar budgets, by being open source and almost free to use. The fact that a task a company normally has to run on GPT-5 for $70 can now be solved with Deepseek V3.1 for just $1 represents a difference large enough to shake the very foundations of the AI economy. This is a turning point that will affect not only technology developers, but also everyone from giant corporations running thousands of tasks every day to small startups. And the matter is not just about cost advantage. The hidden tokens discovered by community researchers inside the model reveal the true point where V3.1 sets itself apart. Thanks to the search begin and search end tokens, the model can perform real-time searches. With the think and end think tokens, it can reason internally before delivering an answer. In other words, Deepseek V3.1 has, for the first time, brought truly private reasoning and real-time information access into the open source world. This is not just a model update. It is a fundamental move that will change the very nature of AI and deliver a much closer, more human-like experience to the user. China's long-standing open-source strategy is also fully revealed here. While US-based companies keep their frontier models under tight protection and make them accessible only at high prices, China distributes these models freely to the world. Although this may appear as revenue loss in the short term, in the long run, it accelerates global adoption. We have seen this before in history. When Linux emerged as a free yet powerful option, it radically changed user preferences against massive paid software. Today, the same scenario is happening in AI. Against the free yet powerful Deepseek V3.1, the appeal of expensive models is diminishing day by day. The truly striking point is this. It is no longer only massive laboratories that can compete at the frontier level. Small teams can do it too. Until now, the belief was that systems at this level can only be built with billion-dollar investments. But with V3.1, that belief has collapsed. Now, even teams of just a few developers with the right infrastructure can integrate the world's most advanced AI models into their own systems. This is not only a disruption in the technology race, but also a major fracture in the balance of global power. The shockwave created by Deepseek V3.1 shows us one very clear thing. In AI, the biggest difference will no longer be who adds more parameters, but who provides this power more fairly, more cheaply, and more quickly. And perhaps, until now, what was truly artificial was not intelligence itself, but the artificial barriers placed on that intelligence. Deepseek V3.1 has removed those barriers and rewritten the rules of the AI race. This picture actually shows us that the AI race is no longer just a technological competition. From now on, what will determine which country, which company, or which community takes the lead will not only be computing power, but also access policies, transparency standards, and the vision for global collaboration. Deepseek V3.1 seems like the first signal flare of this transformation, opening the door to a new era of AI that is more democratic, more accessible, and more participatory. The world of AI is now changing faster every single day, and in the period ahead, this change will be even more radical. From deep learning to humanoid robots, from open source models to autonomous systems, this transformation marks perhaps the most critical technological threshold in human history. If you don't want to miss these developments, subscribe to my channel and let's follow together the future of the AI race.